Hi, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In front of me I have Samsung Galaxy A07 device. In this video I want to show you how to use split screen multitasking. First of all, you want to access the applications that you want to use. So simply open two applications that you're going to use for multitasking, like this. And now you're going to go to recently opened applications. And now at the top of the application that you want to use for your split screen, you want to tap on its icon at the top right here, and here select option Open in Split Screen View. So here you can see my gallery application that I just opened, and below it you will see your recent apps section, and from the list you want to select the second application, and here it is. This is your split screen view. Additionally, you can tap on those three dot button to swap places, sorry. That is basically it, and I really hope that you find this video helpful. If so, please like this video and subscribe to our channel to see more content like this.